So hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to extract from a text or words and wordings from PDFs to any document. So here I'm just going to show you a quick demo. So we're going to use this module called by PDF2. So if you don't have it installed, you should install it already. You should install it. I recommend it, as it won't work if you don't have it installed. You just have to type pip install. You just have to type pip install by PDF2, and that should keep you going. So alright, we're going to import. We're going to load the PDF to convert. So I'll say PDF1 equals to open, and then the name of the PDF you want to open. Here I have a tutorial flask.pdf, and then read it in binary mode. Read binary, sorry, not write binary, this is read binary. So after that we read it with the PDF function, PDF method of PDF to PyPDF2. So we say PDF reader equals, so we say PyPDF2 dot file reader, as shown here, file reader, and then reading the PDF1. So after that we can read the text now, so we can print it out even. So we can print, so PDF reader 1 dot extract text. So but instead of extracting the text directly, as in this just show all the text in it, so we can actually get a particular page from it and then get the page. Let's say page 2 equals, so PDF file 1 PDF 1 reader dot get page, and then we assign the page to it. Let's say page 10. So and then you can print the page 2 dot extract text. Then we said page 2 dot extract text. So if we run this now, let's say as Python, sorry, I have to clean this up, Python extract text dot py. So blah blah blah, this is it. So here is the text in the file, which shows out. This is the Flask web introduction. So I can actually print out another page. If you see, let's print page 15 to see how it works again. Here, this is page 15. Very good, very good. So in case you want to write this into a file or a document file, you want to use it in another file, so you can say document file. Let's say document equals, let's use open. Let's open the file now. So I say open document file dot docx.document, comma, and then write mode, sorry, not binary, this should be read mode. But first we have to get text, so dot extract text. So we are extracting the text and then write it to. So after that, and then we write it in, so page 2. So we say document dot write So write it, the page 2 in it. So write page 2, and then let's not forget to close the file. I made a mistake once. Page 2 dot close, sorry, dot close, and then documents dot close. So if we are through with this, if this works, we should print it that it works. Say done. So if this works, it should print works. Sorry, strange object has no attribute. Close. Sorry, we are closing the wrong object. So we should close the file reader file. I mean the PDF one, not the page 2. Sorry, so PDF reader 1. So here, PDF 1. Sorry, let's save it and run it again. This shouldn't be closing this as it's a text, so it's impossible to decode as from object, blah 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 blah. Well, let's treat there. Let's see if the document file is saved already. So I'm going to open my folder, document. Here it is. I'm just going to open it up. There it is. It is saved already. Thank you guys. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to merge a 2-page in PDF to make it like a watermark. So like a background, to make one document a background image and the other image. So stay tuned. I'll upload it in the next video. Please like and subscribe. That just helps me a lot. Thanks very much guys. See you soon again.